Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna address the problem when you plug in your charger and you want to charge your iPhone or iPad, you have the no charging indication. So we have the charger here, we plug in, it shows that it charged, and after, so you see the charging is plugged to the electricity, but unfortunately the phone shows no charging. If this happens to you, this way will show you how to fix it. First, plug it off and check your charger, the ending. Usually, if you have seen this black dot there, probably that's the problem why your charger does not charge. So take a knife or a scissors and try to scratch off this white mark. It seems that from too much charging, especially the high capacity chargers, it creates a corrosion there, and after it cannot charge. So slowly scratch that black thing off. And when you charge it, it should become like this, or like this, clear. And after plug it on again. So we'll test now, after removing after we have scratched the corroded edges. And now it shows that it's charging again. Once you charge, wait some time to make sure that it's charging. And still it charges. I hope you like my video. Let me know any thoughts or comment below if you have similar troubleshooting. Thanks. Bye bye.